Hey guys, my name is Doms and we're here at Bullet Crave Laundry Lunch for the third laundry business seminar and I am with...
Laorne Espiritu.
Jeremiah.
Jairus.
What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from this seminar?
Do it now kaysa naman na sa iba pa mapunta yung pera mo. So just invest in,
How to handle customers. Yung tinuro ni Sir Vincent.
Huwag maging one-day millionaire.
How this seminar changed your perspective on the laundry business?
Ano talaga meron siyang differentiation sa ibang businesses. So ako kasi I have my own coffee shop. So iba talaga yung pwede niyang gawin. Kasi service So compared to maybe food or beverages, so, maganda talaga yung returns.
Marami sir kasi ngayon na kami na seminar. Dapat sana nung umpisa pa kami, nakapag-seminar na kami. Sana kami, mas maganda yung management namin sa pagdating sa laundry.
I thought laundry business was cheapy business lang. But now, hindi pala. Malaki yung income. Possible income. And mas eager akong pasukin ito.
How this seminar prepare you for your laundry journey?
Ayun, nagpa-plano na sir ng meron na agad na expansion. Dating din sa pag-market ng
Mas naging eager akong pasukin ito and iniisip ko malaki yung profit ko dito in the near future.
Dami ko natutunan on how to advertise, yung to strategize when startup pa lang, like on the first 3 months, yung honeymoon stage na sinasabi. Yeah, siguro gagawin ko lahat yun, yung mga marketing strategies.
Rate 1 to 10, gaano po ka-useful tong seminar?
10 po, 10.
10.
10.
Why 10?
Na-enlighten kami sa lahat ng sinabi nyo.
Very interactive, learning, and at the same time, having fun.
Helps me a lot para maging positive sa business na to and gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang pasukin.
I am Jeremiah and I'm a legit bulya.
I am Jairus and I am a legit bully.
I am Laarne and I'm a legit bulya.
Hashtag
Crave.
Clean, innovate.